Kajing tray lang ka bastet bat ka bapakah pring gipulit jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills bat East Khasi Hills. Kalawan ra kajing lapsok ki arngut ki kena kentai ki bakat wei bat kat lai senam karta ki braja na Shillong trongpleng balat. Ini kena ki belawan chong bos che Shillong lala banlap ikini ki yeng jigi bahai yeng jigi ke beran hanong ra ka bahap apok ka tanat renja. Kini kajing ja kala ja ka step jong ka arpu artrek unaitung ha ka bagini kena ki ja na la Shillong. Maria yo jing tip ki bor pulit jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills kila antat bagini ki arngut kila banet che Shillong. Kabala penlong iki ban sentip kloy shiki pulit jang ke East Khasi Hills ban penlong ya ke jingwat haman lagi jaka yang bos bagi jaka 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 kanong ba Shillong. Halor kan ya superintendent ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba 𝗏𝗵𝘃𝗁𝗂𝘁 ula bata ibro ki kenhun pulit bakin penstet ke jingwat bada ke janmiat hi lalap ikini kena na yeng jigi bahayeng hanong ra. Uba 𝗏𝗵𝘃𝗁𝗂𝘁 ulong bagi pulit kindang penlong ya ke jing toket ke babenya ban tip la kini kena kila bakla lenti. Kila pet na layeng na yo kadon kadaw bagajing na yeng nasan.
This morning we had two children, I think 10 and 11 years old, and two girls from Trongpleng had gone missing. So it falls under Southwest Khasi Hills. Nonetheless, since they'd come to Shillong and we were alerted, so we informed all our units to conduct the search for these two girls. By afternoon, we had found that they had gone to their relatives' house under 𝗪𝗏𝗶𝗏𝗏 station in Nongra, and an inquiry is being made as to whether they lost their way or there's some reason for them to run away, or if there's any reason at home. Yes.